Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with a good friend of mine, Famous John, who's got the biceps action. Hey, he is 15 years old, he has Down syndrome, and he can ride a bike without training wheels. And he is teaching us how to teach other people to ride a bike. So one of the things that I work on with people who can't ride a bike, John can, is I have them practice riding on the bike, but their feet are on the ground. So I put the seat as low as it will go. This seat is as low as it goes. It means his toes are gonna be on the ground. I prefer it even lower if it was a smaller bike and his feet could be flat on the ground. And then just not pedaling, but propelling yourself with your feet on the ground. Can you show us how to do that?
Sorry?
A lot of times I'll start, you can go ahead and go, buddy.
Go now?
Yeah, go.
Okay. Is it on?
It was on.
It's on for real?
Oh, for real. Let me get it for real. You're right. Okay. It's on for real.
Okay, there it goes.
And so what I start off with is having them push with both feet and just going. It works best if they're on a hill first so they don't have to, it's easier to glide. I've taught people who are adults to ride a bike, typical to adults, they just never learned, using this method. Come on back! So you can use the method where you push with both feet, which is what I consider the starting off one, or alternating feet, one foot and then the other foot. And again, it's a little easier going downhill. Famous John is going uphill right now, so it makes it a little bit trickier. Once they've got this skill down pretty pat, then I'll have them just put one foot on the ground and one foot on a pedal. Can you do that?
What?
One foot on a pedal, one foot on the ground. Can you do it?
Yes.
I don't know, let's try. What? Keep one foot on the ground, that's right. Come on this way, buddy. Oh gosh, come on. That's all right, come on back.
Come on.
One foot on the ground, one foot on the pedal. Now, with some people tell me that when they've done prolonged, keep coming, you're doing great. Prolonged periods of this, that they have to take, for the first one, the pedals off. There you go. Because the pedals kept hitting the kids' legs. Usually that means the bike is not low enough so that you can get your feet out wide and not get your feet all tangled up on the pedals. Once people can do like Famous John just did, of being able to pedal, to have one foot on the pedal, one foot on the ground, then we start working on trickier obstacles. Feet on the ground. Oh yeah. You're pro. This isn't even hard for you. Now, I have a lot of clients this would be super hard for, but Famous John is not a client of mine.
I'm pro.
Way to go! All right, now we're ready for the figure eight. Here, you got it?
No, right here.
Uh-huh. Come on this way. Remember this figure eight, the first path we went on was 3 foot wide, but this is only 1.5 feet wide. It's 15-foot diameter circle inside a, nice, inside a 12-foot diameter circle, so it makes it about 1.5 feet right here on the inside. You are rocking this.
I'm pro.
Follow me, man.
I'm pro.
You are a pro.
Thank you.
I mean, that's what we know.
I'm a pro skater.
Okay, there's only one more skill to try with this. Are you ready for the bigger
I was
challenge?
born ready.
You're born ready. Okay, come on. What? So easy. In and go out. Go in and out. Go in and out. What about if I blow the whistle? What? I can't fool you for nothing. Stop for a second, buddy. These are the kind of skills I work on before a person is ready to ride a bike, when I have to ramp up slowly in their skills. You rocked this. This was like easy for you. I hope this is helpful for you and good ideas for you to help your child learn to ride a bike. And we'll look forward to seeing you next time with harder ideas. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.